Here's how you can make a cherry pie dessert in about 1 minute. You'll need cherry pie filling, graham crackers, spray whipped cream, and a bowl. All you do is you put in some cherry pie filling into your dish. I put about a half a cup in here. Pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Crumble on 1 graham cracker. Add some whipped cream. And in about 1 minute, I've just made a very good cherry pie-like, it's kind of more like a cobbler. This thing as it sits has about 275 calories. It's delicious. It's pretty much like a quick and easy cherry pie. Have fun with it.